Hello children, today we have to do our book Art and Friend for class 4 section A, B, C and D. Children, we have the picture of some vegetables in the book Art and Friend at page number 4. Now, you have to sketch the figure of these vegetables, structure of these vegetables. For that you have to sketch using pencil only. After that you have to color these vegetables. You know what is this? This is a brinjal and this is a tomato and this is a chili. All of you must know the color of these vegetables because you have so many sketch pens. For coloring these pictures, you use only the tip of this sketch pen, because instruction is given there, draw pencil sketch of vegetables and shade them using sketch pen tips as shown. So, I am showing you how to use the sketch pen tips. This portion you know that is must be green. So, you use only these tips you use in this way. Here you have to use only the green color. After that, the color of brinjal is this color, that is mauve color. So, you must color this part with the tip of this sketch pen. Some of the spaces you do it darkly and somewhere you have to use it lightly. Use this in this way. Don't leave space in between them, you just use in this way. Understood how to do it? Make the dot very closely, that will make the color nice. Okay, in this way you have to do it. And after that, you know the color of tomato is red. So, for the stalks of this tomato, you use first the green color, use tips like that. These spaces are very thin, so use it very nicely. Must remember that points should not be out of this border. Then you color this part, this tomato you should color by using the red tips, red color, use red tips. I am not finishing it, I am leaving this for you, you have to do it. Okay, just I am showing how to do. I know that all of you love to paint very much, so I know that you can do it properly. And the last one is what? That is chili. So, color of chili is green, so you have to color this with green tips. Use the chili with green tips. Okay. Do it nicely. This is your today's work. You have to complete this very nicely. Okay. So, this is our work for today. No more today. Thank you, class.